Always embarrassing.
Yo. You guys hear me? There's some 41s in the chat. You guys can hear me. I gotta post the link too. Live trading, backyard edition. Live all week. Come take it, or fuck. My finger always slips. Back at it. Live trade, new week, backyard edition. Make sure you guys click this link. I'll be live all week. Come join the stream. And if I win, y'all know where we're going. Let's go. That hoodie is hard. Thanks, bro. Oh, fuck. You guys hear me? You guys hear me? Let's go. Un momento, Chatteroni. How slow this shit is anyways. Alright, you guys can hear me though? 41s in the chat. 41s, 41s, 41s. What's up, what's up, what's up? Alright, I got a video for Instagram. I'm gonna come over here. Live trading, new week, backyard edition. Click this link. I'll be live all week. Don't miss out on this. And if we win, guys, you already know what's gonna happen. Just come join on the stream and I'll see you guys there. Peace out. Alright, there we go. Post the link. Live trading now. Go. All right. What's gonna happen if you win? I don't want to say it. I don't want to jinx it. I don't want to jinx what's gonna happen. But, can you guys see? What do you guys think's gonna happen? Let's put it that. That's a good way to put it. What do you guys think's gonna happen if I win? Let's put it that way. How many people we got here? Guys, make sure to hit that freaking like button. Bro's taking the more than a dip. I'm gonna freaking get on the roof and I'm gonna jump right in the pool. Actually, I don't know if I can get on the roof, but I definitely would jump in the pool, guys. If we get like a fat win, we're going skinny dipping. No, I'm kidding. Stream, don't do it. No, I'm kidding. All right, chat. We're here. We're live in 4K. You won't jump in. We gotta win first. Actually, if I lose, if I win, I jump in. But I can take my clothes. I mean, I'm gonna jump in with my shorts on still. But if I lose, I gotta jump in with the $600 hoodie on. Bro, how slow is this? The fuck is this? This morning, guys, there were some clean trades this morning. If you guys traded this morning, oh my god. Lose equals shorts off. Tyler, I like the way you. No, I'm totally kidding. Don't switch, bro. Anyone with a MacBook? Do you guys know why? Like if I'm on live or something, it tries to like connect to my phone's microphone. Like, bitch, I don't want that. All right, Discord. I'm in this bitch as well. Oh, it does not detect any input from your mic. What? No input from my mic. Input. There we go. Got him. All right, we live. I thought we was gonna get jiggy till it jammed up. All right, shall we here? Just install Windows on it. What? US30 and NASDAQ. All right, let's do some analysis, guys. But before I do any analysis, I need some motherfucking W's in the chat. W's in the chat. We're at 23 likes, guys. Let's try to get to 50 pretty fast. This morning caught a good trade with EMMITT. Let's go. I mean, guys, the sells this morning were textbook. I had a coaching call. This morning, and I reviewed it all, and I went over everyone where you guys should have got in, where you like, bro. The amount of entries was endless. Let me tag. What if I tag up? Mentorship. The move starts to break too early and miss the move. Nah! You starts to break even too early. Because my thing is this, guys. You guys know me. I like going stops to break even. But if the higher time frames are in confluence with the move, I don't like it. Because then it's just like a little pullback. Like, let's say you're in the sells right here. And this little pullback gets you out to then continue. You know, like stuff like that. It's, yeah, I don't know. There's actually a good example of it on over here. But we'll go over it in a second. First off, actually, we'll do a poll in a second. Let's just do top-down analysis. NASDAQ you out. No, wait. Here. What's up, gang? I'm gonna mute this, and we're good. All right, so top-down analysis. Let's check out Pro Train with the birds. What up, guys? Yeah, I got it, you guys. I'm telling you, we go in the pool if we win. All right. Going to the 4 hour, guys. The reason why I was saying like with the higher time frames are in confluence is that do like a you know, zoom out. Every time price made a high, made a low, high, low. Yes, you had a little bit of a channel here, but on the daily, weekly, this was still just a lower high to create a lower low. You guys have to have that outlook. Let me take off this so you can see a little better. Every time made a high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. So to me, all these high, or I keep seeing higher low. Lower high, my bad. Fuck, I don't know how to trade. Lower high to a lower low, lower high to a lower low, the entire way down. So after I saw this lower high getting created, you guys gotta understand, this was still from Thursday. I was saying it last week that this lower high tapping back into the MAs was potentially to go down. And like this whole area is what I'm looking for. Why? Because look at this big volume spike. When I see this big, like we came down, we formed a low here, respected it, came down, respected this demand, and led to the to this push. Where do you? My question is this, guys. Where do you guys think orders are sitting? If we came down and led to this big push right here, where are their orders sitting? There's definitely buyers in here, and their stop losses are sitting down below this area. And it's early buyers. It's people trying to push price up, thinking that this is going to be the recover, and it's just more liquidity to come back down. So I was talking about how this, after we corrected and failed to make higher, this was just another lower high to make another lower low. So with that in confluence, let's go to the hourly. We just had a new hourly open, which we still are overly extended. But going back out to the 4 hour real quick, it's still looking pretty clean. We've came down, we've broken previous 4 hour lows. I would say that I still am not really looking to buy yet. I'm scalping, so if we really like do have a position present itself, then yeah, maybe I gotta do it. But guess what? As of now, I don't think it would be the best idea. What up, Demos? Where the white woman at? That's hilarious. That's actually nice. Demos, you doing good, bro? I heard you killing it, bro. I thought I was gonna get jiggy till it jammed up. You know what I'm saying? I thought I was gonna get jiggy till it jammed up. Snow greatness, yes, sir. What's cracking? What's up, William Perkins? I like that last name. Papa Parky. No, I'm kidding. All right, guys. So going off NASDAQ, like what I would kind of think as of now, because right now this candle right here, this okay, we just got a new one. So that previous bullish candle was the first. Well, this bearish one too, but these first two candles are the first two 5-minute candles of this new hourly. So I'm expecting a top wick. Where I would like it to go is to take out these highs. If we could have price come up, take out these highs, and have like I think we're going back down. Why? Look at the structure, guys. Every time I make a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. I don't think this was as good of a lower high that we needed. So I'm hoping we get a push up here, take some liquidity, and then come back down to, you know, do that. Living in 11, brother. Living in 11. Love that, Demos. You deserve it, bro. Luca, I'm flipping a live right now. Started 3 days ago. with 200. I'm at 700 now. Let's fucking go. That's what I call a good return. Luca, I made 1,400 in my 7K count during. Wait, what? I made 1,400 on my 7K count during New York Open. What? Like live? Like you have a live? You have a live 7K account, or is it like a prop firm or what? Luca, you're a pimp. Thank you, bro. Guys, the king is back. The king of Power Hour is back, guys. I want to stamp that. I want this to be the hub. You know what I'm saying? I know I only started trading Power Hour a couple months ago. You guys probably know me from London or whatever, but like ever since we started this, guys, we've had one losing day. We've had one losing day in all of Power Hours. And for people who have been here, maybe backing up in the chat, because there's some people here probably just heard me say that and are like, oh, this guy's cap, I'm leaving. I'm transparent about it. We had our first losing day. It was either, I don't know if it was last week. Oh, it was last week. Yeah, it was last week. Y'all have been watching. Nothing to hide. We've been doing great. 109 of you guys. Let's try to pump it back up. We hit 200. We hit 200 last week, guys. Hell yeah, Mar. Still snap. Yeah, it just was one day. Y'all waiting for a trade? Yeah. Mr. 99% exactly. A little trend line. I remember because that losing day popped my 200. Yeah. Hey, my bad, William. At least I'm transparent about it. At least I'm not here going, nah, straight wins. Nah, there was that one day. And it was good for me because I was able to reflect, guys. The reason why it was a bigger losing day for me was because I got into US30 and NASDAQ. I'm not doing that again, guys. Even though my reasoning was like, oh shit, they both look super, I think it was bearish. Oh no, it was bullish. They both look super bullish. I'm gonna get into buys on both and make double the money. Motherfucker, you take double the loss. Fuck double the money. It would have been a huge day though. I accepted the risk. It was whatever. Alright guys, you can see here on the 15-minute time frame, we've now taken out previous candle lows. I want someone to tell me what we need to happen to cause some break structure. I guess it broke, you know, you can call it break structure the downside. I just want to see, I didn't really ask that well. But I want to see if anyone knows what I'm talking about. No, not a close below. I want to see the opposite. Y'all here, like, guys, I'm gonna, okay, actually, I'll put you guys on game. Everyone, because the markets aren't moving right now, I'm gonna give you guys one of the most high probability candle sequences ever. And this isn't a strategy where you're just gonna do this every time it's gonna work. It's you have to add this into your already existing strategy. If you guys put enough 41s in the chat, if you guys all actually know, let's do likes. How many likes do we get? If we can get to 44 likes, now we're at 38. Everyone just like the stream. Try to run it up. Let's get some likes going, guys. And then I'm going to spam some 41s in the chat. If you guys don't know what 41 means, you guys are newer to the stream. I kind of stopped saying it for a second, so we got to get it back, guys. 41s in the chat. Reason why I do 41s is because 41 is my number with like my students, my mentorship, my chat, like everything. Because it's all for one for all, right? If we had a number, I want to do like NOT jerseys with 41 on the back. I want everyone live streaming wearing their fucking jerseys making money. So we'll have that coming soon. But beyond that, all for one for all. Trading's one of those things that's pretty lonely at the start when you're by yourself. Surround yourself with some people. You're all together. We're pushing each other, holding each other accountable, all that type of shit. So 41s, appreciate y'all. Wait, I just see Sai's name. Sai, you want to come hop back on, bro? Text me. I'll send you the link. But all right, thank you guys for the 41s. Candle sequence, all right, right here. So once again, guys, what I'm about to show you, you guys have to add in with as an added confluence. What do I mean by that? This one I'm about to show you isn't something you're just gonna see and immediately get into a position right away. You want your usual strategy, your usual setup to occur, and then when it comes to your entry, this is what will make the entry higher probability. So for me, let's say price was bullish. Let's go over my strategy. Let's say price was bullish, right? Even do better like this. Ready? Let's say you came here, pulled back, and price is bullish. For those, you know, mentorship, pay attention, you guys know, impulse leg. We have the low that was established leading to the push. To me, that's my impulse leg because now I go, all right, price is clearly bullish. I want to wait for a retracement into discount to wait for my trade. So what does that mean? You fill up the low to the high it created. You see a pullback into discount. Discount is 50% of the impulse. So if this is 100%, half of the move, 50% here, as long as we're in discount, I'm looking to take a trade. Once we are in discount, guys, I look for price to kind of like maybe even break structure, but kind of go like this. I want to see a candle low get taken, but not just that. This is where we're going to get into the actual sauce. Ready? If this low gets taken against the trend, against the trend. So if I'm bullish, I'm looking for a buy position. If we can break candle lows like this, and then let me open up Zoom real quick. Oh wait, no, it wouldn't be on Zoom. How can I draw it the best? Probably draw it like this. Let's say the candle opens up once again, coming down, wicking out previous lows. All I need is now price to take the low and then engulf the previous candle. What does engulf mean? So I could do it better on Zoom because I can draw it better. So I'm thinking about switching that over real quick, but I don't want to lose you guys and lose your train of thought. But essentially what an engulfing candle would be is that if this previous candle down here was like right here, right? This was the bearish candle right before we broke the low. If the next candle can take out that low and then close back above, that is my sign that price has enough volume to go from, God, I might have to go to Zoom, guys, and I can draw it way better. But for example, let's just go back to current price and let's look for an engulfing candle. An engulfing candle would be if this candle right here, see this bullish one? If this candle would have taken out the candle low like it did right here, zoom in. If it were to take out the candle low, but then the body of the candle close above the candle, that is taking out the lows, taking the liquidity, and then having enough volume to push up and engulf the candle. That matching up with my entry criteria improves my win rate tremendously. So if I were to draw it, you guys would see a little better. I hope you guys kind of understand. But the whole concept behind it is that, all right, like, because you guys always hear me talk about like getting early sellers in to then buy, or getting early buyers in to sell, that type of, that type of thing. This is it kind of playing out of like, all right, we clearly faked out the lows, got enough liquidity and enough orders to then push price up and engulf the previous bearish candle. You now know that the bulls are kind of in control and that you can now look for your entry to then continue in that direction. Does that make sense to you guys, or do I need to go into it a little more? I can explain it. I need to pull out my Zoom thing. It's much more effective. Let's see. Like, for example, this 30-minute, right? This 30-minute, guys, we saw another 10 minutes. This 30-minute has now taken out the candle lows and the candle high is here. If in 10 minutes we could get price to come and close above, that is an indication that then we can wait for a little retracement and a continuation. So it sweeps one side of the previous candle and closes on the other side of the candle. Yes, exactly, Jesus. The previous candle, it'll take out the low and like basically fake out, take liquidity, and then you'll instantly get liquidity pumped into the market, and you'll see buyers get in control and push price up and then engulf the previous candle, showing you that like that wasn't really, that wasn't it. I told him I thought I was gonna get jiggy till it jammed up. I thought I was gonna get Emma did also that. Yeah, I was on FaceTime with him before. I think you guys think that me and Emma beef because we're not on stream. It's just that he wants to do his, he wants to grow his channel. So it's like, no, I don't hate on it, bro. My best friend. I've been noticing that also for a few weeks, and I've gotten good ass entries on the 5-minute. I look for that on the 15 and 30 and 1 hour. Let's go, Jesus. If you guys are able to identify it on your guys' own, there we go. US30 that today, but I didn't take it. Guys, like that added in is just, it's just such a, it's so clean. Like it almost did it right here. What are we on the 5-minute? Oh no, it didn't take out this low though. Like if this would have taken out this low and then close above, that's like to me is what kind of like shows some volume, right? As of now, we're just in this kind of range. How many likes we got now, guys? Come on, 60 likes, 130 of you guys here. First off, thank you guys all for being here. I have some cool stuff coming for you guys. I feel pretty motivated to focus more on the live streams. Not on the live streams, but just like teaching people. You know, my mentorship group obviously comes first. I got some really cool people who have joined even recently, who I'm really excited to turn into some beasts. And also you guys, you know, I feel like a lot of you guys also have been sending me DMs, giving me good feedback and whatnot, which has been amazing. But I'm excited to keep running up with you guys. And then mentorship also. If any of you guys want to unmute or anything, all you guys got to do is just message in the chat saying, look, I got a question. The reason why some of you guys are muted is because it was just loud, so I had to mute you. And you probably didn't realize, you know. No harm, no foul. Big podcast coming out soon too, guys, on Wednesday. You guys are not ready. When I mean not ready, I mean not ready. Cat, we got him. He is here in the studio today, Mr. Everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I cannot wait for you guys to do it. Bro, I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. I want some guesses. Who do you guys think guys is one of the biggest traders in the entire industry? Besides, the last one was the biggest in the industry, MAMBA. Who do you guys think is like, I don't say just as big, but like also pretty fucking big? It's gonna be Jade? No, I do have Jade Cap coming. I will give you that hint. And he is, I think he's really big. I wouldn't say he's the biggest in the industry, but he's also really big. I want him to come on live stream, guys. Who would be down for me to have Jade Cap on live stream? Doyle, you guys think Doyle is the biggest in the industry? There ain't no way. I like Doyle. Doyle helped me in the beginning, but I actually don't like him anymore because he's blocked like multiple of not only me, but like my friends. That like if you're a trader in the industry, no matter what you do, he'll just block you. It's so weird. You know, and I get being in your own lane or whatnot, but I just don't like people who think they're better than other people. You know, I like going and networking with other traders and meeting them and shit. And it's not just me too. Like, there's been multiple people who have told me like that. Like, didn't DM him, didn't do anything. They just saw his Doyle just saw their profile and just fucking blocked them. So I'm like, you know what? Maybe I got some second thoughts about him. Not that cool. Not one of you guys in the chat did say it, but only one of you guys did. A couple of you guys said the same name a couple times. There's only one. Oh wait, actually, I think some. 28. And I got to learn some cool stuff from him too. He does trade indices. He trades more order flow now. You know, has always had a same strategy, but he introduced order flow. I got to have a really good conversation with him about order flow. That is something, guys, that I will be adding to my. Umar is a good guess. So yeah, you guys, yeah. All right, I'm not gonna say it, but yeah, you I'm so dead. Fucking dead. I thought I was gonna get jiggy till it jammed up. Nah, well, you guys can go guess on my story. Andrew Tate, nah. Andrew Tate uses order flow? Alright guys, NAS is slow. Probably let's look at US30. Same thing. No more movement. I got the inside scoop. Lambo was my cousin? What? Is that how you know? Is that how you knew? I've been there. Yeah, you should Justin Werland. Yeah, probably doing with him one day, guys. The reason why I stopped them for a second, yeah, talking about the future you exactly. Now, the reason why I stopped doing podcasts for a second, because I was doing them so back to back, is that I don't want to do one with someone right now and then it comes out in like 4 months. I have like 3 months of podcasts saved up, so I'm gonna wait a little bit and then go back to it. I tell him straight up, I thought I was going to get to it. I don't know. I just get a speaker out here, guys. Guys, what should I do? Should I go get in the pool? Ah, fuck. It's not as cold as I thought. It's a little cold, but not as cold as I thought. I'll get in that bitch. Might have to. Do it for the clip. Do it for the clip. No, I'm kidding. Do I put clothes on? I actually might. I'm gonna take this jacket off because this jacket's actually it's kind of expensive. So. But I'll get in with like my shirt and shit. Only gold will drop 1,000 points and retrace in the same candle. I don't know, bro. You ever seen US30 when fucking Jerome Powell's talking? That shit looks like Jerome Powell on cocaine. Ooh, look at this, guys. I actually kind of like that. What do you guys see? Before I break it down, what do you guys see? The live viewers has increased. What, 124? Oh, yeah, just in general. Thank you, bro. Hey, it's just results. At the end of the day, guys, like, I'm going to try and push a little bit more, but I feel like it's just, you know, if you have results and you show up consistently, people will show up, you know? So I appreciate you guys all coming. Guys, my biggest advice also, you guys cannot lose if you don't quit. So if you guys are traders on this live stream, sitting back, just getting a trade, and you're not really finding the best results yet, first off, just take just my fucking trades. I call winners all the time. Okay, that's a bad advice also, because it's not financial advice. But do it while you're learning. Learn on the side. But why I'm bringing that up is that you guys have this community to be around. I have a free Discord in the description. Join it and just be a part of the community. It took me 1.5 years, almost 2 years to start getting profitability, guys. Some of you guys are not even within your first year and are like pissed off because you guys aren't profitable yet. Guys, give it some freaking time. Tori, you guys know Tori Trades that you guys all watch and fucking always talk about and shit? Guys, she didn't get profitable for 10 years. A lot of you guys could not do the same thing for 10 years and have the belief that you actually are going to keep going, right? So have it, is basically what I'm telling you. Have that belief. Damn, these gold buys, I can't even lie. I haven't traded gold in a minute. Ever since about all-time highs? My thing is that like what, you're going to sell all-time highs? Then my thing is like, what, you're going to buy all-time highs? Yeah, she took a little break, but still. It wasn't a, she didn't quit, she just paused. I thought I was gonna get jiggy till it. Well, that song's like, I need some different songs in my head. US30 NASDAQ getting a little pump too. I'd say there's just no structure on US30. Like we could take the break of this high right here. I would just say not really structure. Because there's no bearish shit before that. So yeah, I mean, liquidity's getting taken here. Like I said this first off when I first came to stream on here. I want price to come up into here and then potentially sell off. We're bearish. We have fair value gap sitting right in here. Right? Like, just come fucking do it. Oh wait, that was not it. Up here. I thought I was gonna get. Okay, so can someone send me a new song or something? I'll put a song on. I gotta get that song stuck in my head. Because I was gonna get jiggy till it jammed up. Guys, can we get to 200 likes? I don't think we've ever gotten to 200 likes. Hey guys, we did hit 200 viewers last the Bells by Eat. Hell yeah. The Bells by Eat. Crazy story. I had a girlfriend in like college or whatever, and she went to school with Eat. Was like good friends with them. And when he was big, she was like, "No, look, like I have his number, whatever." Go to his Snapchat, and she clicked on it, and it had like 3 SoundCloud things that he had like sent to her. And I was like, "Hey, it just shows you, bro. He was grinding from early on doing SoundCloud and shit, and then eventually got big, right? Kind of cool." Shout out Yeet. All right, guys, look at this. Ooh, gold flying. I thought I was gonna get jiggy to get jammed up. What happened to sliding to Seattle, G? What? I don't think I've ever been gone to. I don't think I've ever said I'm going to Seattle. Jaleel, you're a cool guy. I would love to meet up with you. I just don't think I'll ever go to. I mean, not ever, but I have no plans to go to Seattle. I heard it's cold. Nas flying. That's what I'm saying, bro. But this is my thing, guys. The person in the chat who just said Nas is flying, look at that rejection. Why that happens is this is now where buyers are getting in. It's probably going to, you know what I'm saying? This is why I always wait for liquidity to be taken. Right? Wow, look at that rejection. Imagine if you were ballsy and I just had like a sell limit right there. Sell limit at the highs. I really be like that though. I've entered a couple of trades like that. And you guys have seen it live. I'm playing, I'll slide to, yeah, slide here, bro. I'm gonna do an event soon, guys. Those who are in LA, those who are in around this area, I will be doing an event in LA, trying to get Mamba to come. You know how that be. So it'll be like this next month. So like a month from now. Doing an OC, exactly. It'll probably be in LA. But like South LA, so like near OC. Just got 1500 on that brief retrace up on what? US30 or NASDAQ? I'm guessing US30. It was cleaner than on NAS, really? What did you see? Ryan, I'm just curious. Want to send like your chart or something? F stands for exponential while I blast it. I thought I was gonna get it. All right, so I would say, all right, before I even get into it, why do you guys think I like NASDAQ? Just by looking at this, why do you guys think I like NASDAQ more than US30 at this time? Someone tell me before I get into it. And I could put them up next to each other. Give me 1 second. Let's quiz you guys. You know, give you guys some sauce. Let's quiz you guys. Looking at both these charts, I said it a second ago. I want to see who's paying attention. Structure and liquidity, exactly. So if you guys look at US30, we have yet to take any liquidity. We're just retracing this move. NASDAQ, on the other hand, over here to the left, has now actually broken structure and given some sort of setup showing us that it doesn't really want to go up there. We've now come up, and to me, up, we come back down. So there's only 2 places to kind of get in, is either below, I wouldn't get in either to below that bearish candle or below these lows. Do something like this, right? I'm trying to get in on the rest of this bearish move for sure. F stands for exponential. US30 is coming up, potentially taking some liquidity too. Let's wait and see. Sell limit? Sell limit on US30? Or what? I thought I was gonna get 133 of you guys, 78 likes. Thank you guys so much for the likes today. You guys are killing it. I really do appreciate it. At the end of the day, guys, free live streams. All I want is you to press that like button. Wow, look over here, guys. NASDAQ. You just take a ride to lows. That would just be some ballsy shit. Go back to one screen. Be so ballsy, bro. Chat. Should we just get risky as fuck? What's good? No fucks. MNQ. F stands for definition. 700 in the tank. Should I be using a 0.2? How much do you want to risk dollar-wise? Not even your account size. How much do you want to risk dollar-wise? And I'll tell you. A little gamble? It's a little gamble for sure. Not the highest probability thing for sure. That's why down here looks cleaner. Definitely the lows, but I definitely don't want to wait till all the way here. You know? I don't want to wait till all the way here. What's SL on it? Well, I didn't sell yet, but the SL would be, it looks like 35 points. We're getting back to the 30 ranges, guys. No more 200. You know what I'm saying? Jeez. I'd say there's just been no structure really broken to the downside, which is why I don't really want to sell yet. Could just do a bearish candle and continue up. So this was the last bearish candle we had that caused this pump. So I feel like if we trade below this area, I'd say that just like this is like, you know, there's a lot of points that we could catch instead of waiting until all the way down here. So respecting the 5-minute bullish gap, my guy. Look at that. He's so right. Look at that. Look at that. I want some W Jaleels. I want some W Jaleels in the play. I didn't even notice that. Look at that. Erase this sell position, guys. He's saying it's playing off this 5-minute bullish for value gap. Savage. Jaleel, you gotta pay for the. Just joking. Did you guys like my reel today? Kind of weird, but I want to see like how it would perform. Did you guys watch my fucking thing today? I thought it was kind of funny. And if it's not funny, tell me to go eat a dick.
Report to the American people and to the world that the United States has conducted an operation that killed Tim Cheese, the leader of the breadsticks, and the man responsible for the murder of John Pork.
700 closed. W's in the chat.
Good evening. Tonight I can report to the American.
Like what? W rot, exactly. W brain rot. Dial in real quick, boys. Happy John Pork, I know. These sells or these longs are gonna be for John Pork. In no way. Damn. Oh. F stands for blah, blah. That would have been savage, these sells. So what was that? 30 points? Are we really back to normal, chat? Did Trump stop yapping? Nope, actually he didn't. He reported about John Pork. He reported about John Pork. Alright, chat. Look for some sort of like retracement to potentially go lower. I personally am not in yet, guys. I definitely will let you guys know when I'm in. I just don't like getting in while it's already so bearish so far because it could just be pulling back to go long here. So I want to see some sort of pullback for it to hold to then go short. So I'll let you guys know. I got my shit open for show. So rejecting. We have another. I don't like that we have another hourly in 15, 30. 15 looks good. Are just breaking back into the range. Overall bearish. Yeah, most of the stuff is crossing off my list, and the last thing is mama ain't raised no bitch, and that's the last thing I ought to cross off the list. So once that's crossed off, then we just realize we grow a pair, and then we just do it. Sheesh. Alright, guys, might have to play them. I'll let you guys know if I get out these lows. I did just take those lows really quick, so maybe we'll get a continuation. God, I'm really gonna short from all the way down here now. I just want to see some sort of pullback. How many more minutes? Oh, we got 2 minutes of the 15-minute, guys. The 15-minute, more often than not, will have like a top and bottom wick, you know what I'm saying? So let's definitely wait 2 minutes, guys. You guys can get in here if you would like. I personally am not in just yet. As really was good. Sheesh. Bro wants to go, chat. So close to the 1 minute, chat. Give me it. All right, guys, might sell these lows. Little top wick. Go, chat. All right, let's run it. I'm in. Have to. Mom ain't raised no bitch. We have a top wick on the 15, so it's all good. I accepted my risk. I think we need a little bit of a pullback, which is fair. It is a 15-minute candle, but hopefully we get the continuation down. For show. Damn, I hate that's pulling back. I didn't want to miss on it. When we had that volume, when it made a top wick and we started going back low, I just pressed it. I pressed it. I pressed it. Come on, chat. Who's in? Do you enter? Yes, I did. Start looking up my fund. Yes, sir. Why you rush entry? I wouldn't say it was rushed. Like we already like kind of prepared for it. I said we waited for the 15-minute. You know, rushing would have been if I got in before the 15-minute. But I stayed patient. I waited for the 15-minute to get a top wick, and then once it flipped bearish, I got in. You know, so sitting up 140 bucks. I'm in a 0.25. You guys can see. How do I calculate my risk on MT5? I can give you like a little lot size here. Actually, I'll help you guys after. Just go off my call miss entry. Let's see if it pulls back. We're near entry, bro. I'm at entry. I'm back in drawdown a little bit. I'm at break even. Why is it acting scared of the support? That shit too little to hold. Yeah, right? Why the fuck you scared of the support, little bitch? Debbie's in the chat, guys. Who's in this? 130 of you guys here. Let's go. I want a sparkling water so bad. What are the chances my girlfriend brings me a sparkling water? Come on. We have 300 chat. Come on, who's in this? Live account always. Oh shit. Live account. Load in 300. Come on. Come on. Saratoga type water, that's what I'm saying. You ready for the pool, man? Facts. I forgot if I won, I gotta go in the pool. Shit. Oh, fuck, I forgot. I said I would do that. Alright, chat. Get ready for the pool, my man is crazy. Alright, chat, we're up 300. 300. Alright, give me like 500. $500 to me is a win, chat. It will close. We hit like 380, so we can. Alright, 280. I might close at the 500 just to do it. We come into here. 500 will be down here. I'll let you guys know, chat. Oxycontin's mixed with balloon. Oh, come on. Come on, chat. Should we hold a runner? I haven't closed any. If you've closed some, if you guys are scalping, which, you know, totally, we're up 300. We're up 340, chat. Give me to 500. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Oh my god. Let's fucking go. 1 hour flip. I know, but I don't want to wait for the hour. Might fuck us. Bro. Pool time, baby? Not yet. I've hit 3 something. I'm only in a 0.25. I probably could have gone in bigger, honestly. Can't even lie. But usually we're doing 0.25s up. This isn't good. I've been doing 0.25s on my other trades. My other trade stop losses were so much bigger, so I definitely could have gone in a bigger lot size on this one. Feeling like a wimp. If we break previous lows, guys, I'm going stops break even. Stops break even once we break lows. Oh, we up, chat. We're about to be at 400 again. We're about to be at 400. Full time, baby. Come on. Once you break these lows, chat, we should continue. Stops BE. Come on. On my broker and on TradingView, we did not break the previous lows. Just a heads up. Boom. Lows broken. We're up 415, 440. Come on. Chug it, chat. Come on. W's, W's, W's. Alright, guys. I think we should go stops break even. For it to be this bearish heading into the hourly candle open, it could screw you guys for sure. Come on, guys. I hit 450 or something. I was so close to that 500. 500 is like right here by TP. I usually am risking 1500, so I definitely am in way less than I usually am. Look at that. Swept the lows and look at the volume come back up. What do you guys think? You guys we should hold through the hourly? I just don't want this to turn into a losing trade. I was up almost 500, you know. And you guys got to think, if I was in proper risk, I would have been up 1500. Break even is the best. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think break even it mitigates our risk, guys. At the end of the day, this is a winning trade. I gave you guys however many points. Like I said, these points are smaller now because of fucking whatever. Oh, come on. New 1 hour probably gonna be a top wig. That's what I'm saying. More often than not, it does. So, all right, chat. We're getting close to 500. What do you guys think, chat? Should we close and call it and fucking I get in the pool or what? What a fire trade. You continue. What does the hourly look like? I mean, the hourly broke previous. We should fucking continue. Come on. Let's go. All right, chat. I'm past 500. See if we can hit that 1-to-1. Come on. Give me those lows. Come on, W's. I need W's in the chat. I need a bunch of fucking W's in the chat for this. Come on. Come on. Come on. We have 560, guys. All right, guys, I'm going to close some partials right here. Do not let this turn into a losing trade. I'm closing half my position here. Half my position closed. Boom. At the bottom there. I'm keeping half running. No way this is turning into a losing trade. And we got profit set into the hourly. Stop loss break even set. W's. Come on. Come on. More W's. Come on. Day after day. Handed W's in the chat. Hey, I said stay tuned for what happens next. Watch. Oh my God. Let's see if we can hit the 1-to-1, but I closed in profits, chat. You guys can see. Go to the day. One trade today, one banger. So far, partials closed, but still has the position running. Hop over. Of course, live account. Same account always. W's. And we're about to hit the 1-to-1. Come on. Oh my God. Do it for me. Come on, chat. W's. There's no way. Come on. Come on. Let's see what this hourly does. No matter what, we get in the pool. I already closed in profit. I gotta get in the pool now. W's, chat. Let's fucking go. Another winner handed out to the gang. 5 minutes the hourly. Come on, guys. W's if we hit this TP too. W's if we hit this TP as well. It's a banger. 5 minutes. My first trade with you, bro. Thank you. 1% off passing my first phase 2. Guys, come on. It's just usual here with NLT. If you guys are trading here with no limit trading every single fucking day, you're making money. It's as simple as that. I don't care. It's literally as simple as that. One and done. See what this hourly is gonna do. It should push us right into fucking TP, and that's pushing me right into the pool. As simple as that. Just another day at the office. 300 pips, so 30 points. Boss meta, sheesh. Tell him to go. The boss beat up, yeah. It was funny. Some people on the thing today were like, yeah, the live streams are kind of just like the boss meetup. We just meet up and just make money. Really what it is. It's really what it is, though. That's the funny part. F stands for infinite while I blast it. I get on the 5-minute topic. That was tough. Sheesh! Fabian, if you can, maybe send a picture into the Discord. I'd love to see it. Guys, if you guys are winning, make sure you guys are in the Discord and posting your guys' wins in the testimonials. Salve, are you here? Or is there anyone here who can send a fucking Zoom link? Coming to here. Invite. Copy. Let me know, guys, if this link works. Oh, well, that wasn't it. This is why we go stats BE. Invite. Why is it hidden? That's weird. I don't even know. Someone send the Discord link. Annoying. Alright, chat. Nice little pullback, and you guys might think like, oh shit, it's going back bullish. I'm kind of glad it's going back bullish a little bit, so that we can maybe just flip and then break the lows, heading into TP, heading into the hourly open, and it's just more dubs. Day as usual. Yes, sir, Lewis. Yes, sir, Alex. Back at it. F stands for. Thank you, Saba. All right, chat. Looking for this pump into the hourly open. Just the best community in the industry fact. Winner as usual, W. Jacko. It's just usual, right? Jacko's been with me for a minute, guys. That's why he's changed his name to NLT. He's like, there's no reason to be anywhere else. Literally. Like, guys, it doesn't matter if you have one losing day or whatever. Guys, there's 365 days a fucking year. And we're winning all of them. Even on the days the market's closed, guys, we're still winning. My first time actually taking a trade with you because we're in a took a trade 0.5% dub. Appreciate you, bro. Catch you tomorrow. Thank you, bro. You're the best. Thank you for coming. I feel like a lot of you guys needed to come to the live streams and like see it happen a couple times to gain the confidence to be like, all right, like he's been pretty consistent with it. Let me start following along. And guess what, guys? There's more and more dubs. We changed lives at NLT. You know what I'm saying? Watch. 120 of you guys still here, guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. Let's try to get to 100 likes, guys. We're at 88. That's only 12 more of you guys. If 12 of you guys hit it, we go into the pool. We go into the pool. So funny. Poker. Uh-oh. Hey, this is why we do stops BE. I'm almost there. I'll let you guys know when I get hit. Oh, yeah, it just hit me. I'm out. It hit me. It hit me, BE. That's why we closed those partials. Could well, do we think this is a top wick on the hourly? It could be. Look how big the previous top wick was. So this could just be a top wick, guys, but that's a lot of bullish volume. All right, chat. You guys know what time it is. Oh my god. All right. Don't say I didn't do anything for y'all. Are we on here, chat? All right. Oh, not a good start. Oh, fuck. God. Ow, I hit my leg so fucking hard. I need a fucking towel. Oh my god. That was way cooler than I thought. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. I was way cooler than I thought. A man of his word. I do what I gotta do. If I say it, I do it. Holy shit, chat. Oh my god. I do need a towel though. Where is... Guess we're gonna use the $500 hoodie as a... Whatever. Whew. Oh my god. I want a fucking towel. Oh my god. A man of his word, W's. Watch out for brain eating a MOABA? What the fuck is that? SL towel? Yeah, wait, I TP'd, so I thought I'd get a... I thought I'd get a towel. But his stop loss, no towel. Oh, you guys are here for that. That is so funny. Alright, I gotta get a towel though, because I'm fucking cold. No towel? No, I won, so I get a towel. Here's one over here. Ooh. Oh my god. Do another one, bro. Do a flip. God, I'm cold now. That was fun though. Guys, do you guys imagine if we were still holding this bullshit? That's why we get out, we take our profits and we go. I thought, Luke, we do a house tour? I don't think I can bring you guys, it's plugged in. I don't know how I'd be able to. Oh my god. That was the funniest shit ever. Hell, people already texting me. Who'd you guys tell? Luca's not doing power hour tomorrow. I can do another clip right here being like, this is what you look like when you hit stop loss. There's the positions up like this. In the motherfucking longs, good shit, bro. Luca, which supercar's your next target? I actually, dude, there actually might be something coming, guys. I don't know what yet, but there might be something coming, bro. I thought I was gonna get jiggy. All right, chat. Well, I mean, I'm one and done today. I'm not gonna continue to trade. I have a meeting in like 20 minutes, so I gotta like maybe look a little presentable for that. Are you and Emma still gonna do small account flips starting at 100 or 1,000? Yes. They weren't starting at 500 because people said they couldn't even do 500. So, GT3, that's what I'm saying. It might be a GT3. I might have to. Martha Stewart's makeup came off today and it was Luca. What's overall bias before leaving? Online meeting? Yeah, it's just the MAMBA and shit. Rewatch Emma's stream. Not only you both had the same position, but also you open your stream just before you jump in the pool. That's actually hilarious. That's hilarious. All right, guys, we're back in the rage. So someone asked me like my you know, input. Now it looks like we did fill this fair value gap, but we inversed it pretty hard. Y'all know me. I need to see some break of structure again. So if we can come up and trade back above here, I would need us to like break, hold, and like do something like that. Like not only break and hold, but then take some liquidity and show. Because like you guys got to think, if it comes up and breaks structure, it still could break structure, hold, you try to buy, and it just fucking sells off and fucks you. Because we're still overall bearish. Like I'm still not confident that we're in a bullish market. And that's why I sold, honestly. So like, you know, you get in here, comes down, fucking stops you out. I thought I was gonna get jiggy till it jammed up. Yeah, man, like literally just in that moment. That's hilarious. Could a double top be formed? Exactly. That's what I'm saying too. However you trade, I don't really look at double tops and stuff. I need liquidity to be taken, but yeah, like if it comes, takes the liquidity above, definitely can look for further shorts again to repeat exactly what happened here. This took this liquidity, sold. This could take this liquidity and sell. Right? That makes sense. We hit 100 likes though, 101. I appreciate y'all, chat. You guys are beasts. You guys are beasts. Guys, if you guys made profits today, make sure he's looking for buys. Yeah, like the 5-minute has a lot of volume closing, but I just think it could be faking out. Getting people early. It's just so bearish. But no, I'm you know, they're clean. He's probably gonna win, so. Yeah, I got that meeting. I appreciate y'all, chat. You guys are the best. What a fun day. One and done today. Monday live stream. First one of the week. Don't say I didn't tell you so. And let's keep fucking killing it, guys. I appreciate you guys all for showing up. And day after day. Guys, make sure you guys' notifications are on in the Discord, on YouTube, and all type of stuff. So you guys get aware when I go live. Because I might want to just start popping up and going live fucking randomly. You don't even know. You don't even know. If I see a setup, I'm going live and we're catching it together. I don't even care. I don't give two fucks. Right? So I appreciate y'all. I'll catch you guys on the next stream. Peace out, chat. More dubs coming tomorrow. If you're not here, I don't know where the fuck you be at. Come on. Catch you guys. Doses. Come back to make some money. Later.